Hello, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to STDFarm. As you already know, I'm Latif, your guy, your number one farmer, your agric headmaster, your agric professor. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and today is your first time passing by, what will you do? You just have to stop, click on the subscription button, like, share our videos for it to reach to other people who want to learn more about farming. A lot of people asked me about the alfalfa seed and how to germinate it. I ordered some of the alfalfa seed, and here we have some of the alfalfa seed here. So I want to take you through a process that you can germinate, grow your alfalfa seed and feed your livestock. So stay tuned with me as I bring you everything you need to know about farming.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise.
Hello, here am I again, and I would like you to know that to germinate or to plant your own alfalfa, you will need about 3 processes to pass through. The first process is the soaking process. You need to soak the seed. And the second process is the filtration. You need to remove the water from the seed. That's the filtration. And the third process is the germination process. So I'll bring you each process that you need to pass through. Hello, welcome back. We are here once again to bring you how to germinate the alfalfa. So you just need your water, a container that you mix the water and the alfalfa seed. This is the alfalfa seed. This is how it looks like. Let me show you. So you just need your spoon to start mixing it. You know, I just want to demonstrate, so it won't be that many. After this, you add your water to it, the alfalfa seed, like this, the exact way that I'm doing. That's it. You stir it small. And you tap it to leave it for 24 hours. So after this, in the next 24 hours, I will bring you what you need to do. That's the next step, and this is the first step. The first step, you need to soak it with water for 24 hours. This is the first step. So in the next 24 hours, I will bring you what you will need to do again. Hello, we are back again, and it's been 24 hours since we left the seeds in the water. So we want to pass through the second process, and that's the filtration. So we want to remove the water from the seeds. That's the second step, that's the filtration. So as you stay tuned, watching how we're doing it and learning the process, that's it. Let's pour it here. We pour all the water in that's the second process. That's the filtration process we're passing through. That's the seeds. So now what do we do next? Now we have the seeds here. We will tap it once again for about 24 hours again for it to germinate. So we will leave it like this for another 24 hours for it to germinate. So let's wait and you hear from me in the next 24 hours again. Hello, welcome back. This is our third day. This is how the seeds are germinating. This is the germination process. The first process, we had to soak it. The second process, we passed it through the filtration to remove the water, and we left it for 24 hours, and this the germination. So from this part, you can send it or you can introduce it to the soil to start planting your alfalfa. Get to me and talk, and I will lecture, show you how to plant your own alfalfa. Maybe I will leave it for another day so that you see the result of tomorrow, but if not, this is how you introduce it to the soil. Hello, welcome back. After germinating the alfalfa, you can now introduce it to the soil. And when you introduce it to the soil, maybe within 2 to 3 weeks, this is how the alfalfa will look like. And this is an irrigation system that supplies the alfalfa water. So if you are running a farm, you need to get your irrigation system. You need to supply the alfalfa with water. This alfalfa contains a lot of protein, and it will make the animal grow fat and good for the market. So I'm here to introduce alfalfa. I'll be bringing a lot of alfalfa to Ghana. So if you need alfalfa, just contact me and I will let you get in touch with alfalfa. We are bringing farming to a modernized way. So we want farming to be a way that you yourself you enjoy. We are enjoying true farming. After that, we are watering the alfalfa. So I have the seed here with me. If you need a seed, just let me know and we will get you some of the seed. Just look at the alfalfa. Let me bring the camera down to you. This is what we call alfalfa. Very good in protein. Whenever you're done growing the alfalfa and it's ready for you to cultivate, you can now cut all the alfalfa down, dry them, turn them into hay. That's the dry leaves, so that you store them for a long time. Each time that you go out of feed, you can use the hay to feed your animals. This the alfalfa that I'm sitting on. And remember, STD Farm, we are the best.